Anthurium is a tropical flowering perennial plant native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. It is also known by other names such as flamingo flower, flamingo lily, tailflower and laceleaf. Anthuriums can be grown outdoors in shady spots in USDA zones 11 and higher. In colder zones, they are grown as indoor plants. They are often used as specimen plants in interiorscapes or as a temporary flowering display. Anthuriums can bloom almost all year long when given the right conditions. The brightly colored heart-shaped waxy spathes come in shades of green, orange, red, pink, purple, white and even brown. The cylindrical flower spike called spadix contains the male and female flowers. The dark green foliage are often heart-shaped. Anthurium plants are toxic to humans and pets. The sap can cause irritation to the skin and eyes. Anthuriums will thrive in moist but well-draining soil that is rich in organic matter. If grown indoors, mix 3 parts house plant potting mix with 1 part orchid bark. For climbing or vining anthuriums, provide a moss pole or totem for the plants to climb. Anthuriums prefer a bright and warm location, with indirect sun. The leaves may burn when exposed to direct sunlight. Placed potted anthuriums in south or west facing windows when grown indoors. Or grow them under artificial lights if they are not getting enough bright, indirect sunlight. Too little light causes the plant to grow slowly and bloom less. Water anthuriums in small amounts about once a week when grown as an indoor plant. When grown outdoors, water once every 2 to 3 days in hot weather. Avoid overwatering as this will cause the leaves to yellow. Anthuriums need above average humidity to perform their best. As a houseplant, they can be sprayed with a light mist on a regular basis. Or place the pot in a tray filled with pebbles and some water. They can also be placed in a bright kitchen or bathroom. Feed anthuriums with a high phosphorus granular fertilizer once a month during spring and summer. Feed twice a month if you are using a liquid fertilizer. Feeding the plants regularly will encourage more blooms. Newly planted anthuriums do not need fertilizing for a few months. Remove browning leaves and faded flowers to help the plant direct its energy to producing new leaves and flowers. Wipe down the leaves of indoor plants periodically to remove dust. Anthuriums can be propagated by seed or by stem cuttings. Another way to propagate anthurium is to divide the plant. When roots start appearing around the surface of the soil or coming out of the draining holes, take the plant out of the pot and gently tease apart the roots to divide the plant in half. Use clean pots with fresh potting mix when replanting the newly divided plants. And water well to settle the soil. Insects such as aphids, mealybugs and spider mites can infest houseplants. Spraying insecticidal soap or applying horticultural oil on the plants will help get rid of the infestation. Anthuriums are easy to care for and relatively hardy as houseplants. The flowers or spathes can last up to 2 months, making them perfect plants for tabletop centerpieces. Thank you for watching.